In a cozy village near a vast forest lived Lily, a girl with eyes like dew and laughter as sweet as birds' song. Lily's heart cherished nature, and she spent her days exploring, tending to birds, and caring for injured creatures. Her garden bloomed with flowers and butterflies, making the village more beautiful. They celebrated her with a colorful wreath, acknowledging her magic. Lily's love for nature taught the village that kindness makes the world more beautiful. Sometimes Lily stand in her terrace and look around the beauty of nature and talk to Lily talk with her elder sister Stella. Lily, Stella, do you ever wonder what lies beyond the stars? Stella, every night, Lily. I feel like there's a whole world waiting for us. Lily, well, tonight, let's find out. They close their eyes and fall into a deep sleep. Stella, where are we, Lily? Lily, this, dear sister, is the Starlight Meadow. We're in a dream realm. Lily, they're called stellifiers. I think they like you. Stella, wow, your dreams are filled with such warmth and tranquility. Lily, and your dreams, Stella, are brimming with energy and inspiration. Stella, Lily, what if we combine our dreams and make this place even more incredible? Lily, that's a brilliant idea, Stella. Let's do it. The sisters hold hands and close their eyes. Together, Dreamweavers unite. Stella, it's like a symphony of dreams, Lily. Lily, our bond as sisters has made this dream world more magical. Stella, I love exploring the realms of dreams with you, Lily. Lily, and I, with you, Stella. Our dreams know no bounds. Together, they continue their journey in this extraordinary dream world, fueled by their sisterly love and boundless imagination. Please subscribe and share.